I want to show you something really rather special. Absolutely stunning two-owner RS6. This car was registered 2015, so it is the facelift car with the matrix lights. What is so special about this car? 43,000 miles and such a high level of equipment, but so beautifully maintained. Completely standard, unmodified car, garaged pretty well its whole life. Last owner for 9 years, since it was only less than 2 years old and had only done 11,000 miles. Now 43,000. Beautiful original car. Let's just have a quick look at the specification. You've got the carbon exterior styling pack with the Quattro funnel. You've got an assistance pack, which is the adaptive cruise control, lane assist, pre-sense, side assist, dynamic pack, Kidge Plus. Look at those beauties. Ceramic brakes all the way around. These brakes have very little wear in them. I think the front pads are only 40% worn, according to the Audi's last service, and rear's even less. 189 mile an hour top speed limiter, DRC suspension, dynamic steering. This is a very much an enthusiast specification. However, it is not been driven like an enthusiast. It is been looked after like a baby. This car's had 10 Audi main dealer stamps. Always had a warranty, the owner and the car. Carbon mirrors. Lovely carbon. And of course finished in gorgeous Sepang blue metallic. It's got the 21-inch twin spoke wheels. Absolutely stunning condition. Such an original car. Rear blinds in the back there. It's got the load, it's got the convenience pack, which this car has got everything it left the factory with. Both keys, tag. It's got the pretty much all its paperwork, service invoices, everything. Look at the rear. It's got the reversible mat, load area fixing pack. Just look at this interior. Just look at this condition, and we've not even cleaned it. I only picked this car up from the customer yesterday. Absolutely stunning. Smells like new inside. And Alcantara headlining. Isn't that gorgeous? And 43,000 miles. Parking pack advanced. 360-degree cameras. Parking assistance. So there we have it. 11 years old, and it reminds me of what they looked like when they were 2 or 3 years old. Full details of this car, the link below. Any questions, please ask away. Thank you for watching this.